Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful camper comes equipped with queen-size bed, living area sofa, stabilizer jacks, smoke detector, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, an awning, stainless sink, living area dinette, bathroom tub shower combo, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, fire extinguisher, bathroom toilet, decorative wood plank flooring, outside shower, outside gas grill, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.